Amazon is the largest retailer worldwide with billions of monthly visitors. Its marketplace offers a great opportunity for entrepreneurs to start a profitable business, and you can make a good buck on it. In this video, we'll explore the key factors that contribute to a successful Amazon business, including product research, listing optimization, pricing, and promoting. Keep watching till the end and we'll show you how to sell on Amazon successfully. Save money, time, and effort on each of the steps. My name is Alicia and you're watching Thrive with Sellvia. Before you start selling on Amazon, it's crucial to understand the market. You need to research what products are in demand, what the competition looks like, and what the pricing landscape is. This information will help you identify profitable niches and products that you can sell successfully. Amazon offers a range of tools that can help you with product research, including Amazon's bestsellers, new releases, movers and shakers, and the Amazon Sales Dashboard. These tools can provide valuable information about which products are selling well and what the competition looks like. Seasonality can have a significant impact on sales on Amazon. For example, holiday-related products may sell well in the months leading up to Christmas, while summer-related products may sell well in the summer months. That's a key to remember when thinking of how to successfully sell on Amazon. When choosing a supplier for your products, it's essential to evaluate them carefully. Look for suppliers that offer quality products, competitive pricing, and reliable shipping. You should also consider the supplier's location and whether they can offer fast shipping times to your customers. Next important step is the listing optimization. High-quality images are essential when selling on Amazon. Use professional-looking images that show your product from multiple angles and in different settings. This will help customers understand what they are buying and make them more likely to purchase. Your product description should be detailed and informative. Use bullet points to highlight the key features of your product and provide information about sizing, materials, and care instructions. This will help customers understand what they are buying and reduce the likelihood of returns. Amazon search algorithms play a significant role in product visibility. You need to optimize your listings for search by using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and bullet points. This will help your products appear in search results and increase your chances of making a sale. Another important thing is pricing. When setting your prices, you need to consider your costs, including the cost of the product, shipping, and Amazon's fees. Make sure you understand the fee structure before you start selling and factor these costs into your pricing strategy. Competitive pricing is essential when thinking about how to sell on Amazon successfully. You need to find a balance between pricing your products competitively and ensuring that you make a profit. Feel free to use Amazon's tools to monitor the pricing of your competitors and adjust your prices accordingly. Deals and promotions can be a powerful way to drive sales on Amazon. Consider offering discounts, coupons, and other promotions to get customers to notice you and make them buy from you. But what if I told you that you don't need to bother with any of this? With Sellvia Premium products, our team can make a top-tier product listings that will make sales as a part of the whole turnkey e-commerce business that you're gonna get with us. Our team analyzes search queries on different platforms to find the products that are searched for, but no one offers yet. We elaborate on their design and add them to your store's catalog. When someone buys from you, you just redirect that order to us, and we fulfill it on your behalf. No extra effort, no blind steps, no experience needed. Our team will be there for you 24/7 to assist you with whatever you might need. Sounds cool? Make sure to book a free consultation and learn more about this one-of-a-kind opportunity. Hope you enjoyed this video about how to sell on Amazon successfully, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments and questions down below for me to answer, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!